What's up guys, today we're here to show you how to make a Bukkit server for Minecraft 1.5.2. Now Bukkit is like a variation of a standard server. It allows you to put plugins, is what they're called, onto your server, and plugins basically allow special features like extra commands such as /kill, /fly. Specific plugins allow mini games like parkour, spleef, and with rewards and everything. Specific plugins are Hunger Games. You sort of get the idea. So for step one is going to be porting your IP address. Now this is a fairly complicated step, probably the most complicated. The link will be in the description. You're going to want to go to portforward.com. You're going to want to find your router brand. So my router brand is Dynalink. So there it is, right there. So you're going to want to find your router model. That's mine. Like, you don't want to type that in for yours unless you have the same router as me. You're going to want to do it for your router and your router model. So you're going to want to click search once you found your router and your router model. It's usually on the back of your router or something. So you're going to want to go to M and find Minecraft server. It should be around about there. Then you're going to want to follow these steps here. So going into these steps will be different for you if you've got a different router than me. So I'm not going to go through the steps for myself. And so that's basically it. That's porting it. And so then you're going to want to go to Minecraft.net. Now I believe the Minecraft.net website is down at the moment. Yep. So you're going to want to search Minecraft server download. If it's down, Minecraft server download. We'll have to find a different link. Minecraft server download. Here we go. Okay, so here's the Minecraft server thing here. You can get to this page by actually going to Minecraft.net, but here it is here. Download Minecraft server, and then you'll download that. And then you're going to want to get the Bukkit, craftbukkit file, so Bukkit download. You're going to want to search that. I'll have all the links for that you need in the description. So and it brings you up with this website. And so you're going to want to download the latest development build, which is be for your version. So this is for Minecraft 1.5.2. So I'm going to download that. I'll keep that file. You're going to want to minimize that, so while it's downloading you can go set up the rest of the things you need. So you're going to want to create a new folder. I'm going to call mine Bukkit YouTube Test. Okay, open up that. Create a new text document inside it called, doesn't matter what it's called. Now I've got a thing like this code that I've got in my description of my video. So the code will be in the description. So it'll be called something like launch code or something like that. So you're gonna want to paste it in here. Now the XMS and then the numbers is how much RAM it launches with. So allocating more RAM will make the server run smoother and stuff like that. So I'm gonna launch it with 2 gig of RAM. So I'm gonna type 2000. I have an 8 gigabyte of RAM on my computer, so I can allocate it 2 gig of RAM by changing the numbers after XMS to however much RAM I want. So you've got that typed in there to your Word document. You're going to want to click File, Save As, and instead of naming it New Text Document, you're going to want to type run.bat, run.bat, and so then you'll have a new little file in here. You're going to want to delete the new text document. And then this is where these two files come in. So you're going to want to drag that in there and that in there. Rename craftbukkit to just craft. Rename that into just craftbukkit and rename this to just Minecraft server. And so you don't need your browser open anymore. You're going to want to click run, and this should be running your server. And so Just wait for it to generate the world. Now the benefits of a Bukkit server are, like I said, you can install plugins, and so you can just search plugins, essential plugins, or top plugins on Google, and I'm sure they'll have some good links for some plugins you can. And to install them, you just drag them in here wherever you've got your Bukkit server located. You just drag them in here. And so to actually connect to this server, you're going to want to open your Minecraft, and while you're waiting for it to log in, launch your browser once more, and you're going to want to go to IPChicken. This link will also be in the description, IPChicken.com. Now that IP address there is what that'll be different for you. That's just depending on your internet service or something like that. I'm not entirely sure myself, but it's always different for everyone. So you will not type that in to connect to your own server. So I'm hosting my own server, so I won't type in that IP address. I will type in localhost, as I've got here. So localhost is my address I type in, and that'll connect me to my server. But if someone else is not inside your house, connected to your network, so they're connected to their own network, you're going to want to type in your IP address that you found on IPChicken. So that there is what other people will connect to. Okay, but if someone else is in your house on a different computer to yours, you're going to want to type ipconfig in here and find your IPv4 address, and that there is what other people inside your house will connect to connect to your server. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and a favorite. If you guys found this video helpful, and you want to spread the word, just share it on your Twitter and Facebook pages. And see you in your next one, guys. Peace.